back. You see, you're back there. And then when this gets here, that is the plié. That's the plié turning, okay? Yeah, you got to get your hip forward, right? Okay. Okay, so, and there's right, left, pas de bourrée, on the left, go. Go. Push, head left, now twist, push, go. You all need that left shoulder back to the left, whoosh, good, okay, push, push, push. Yeah. Okay. But most of you look like this. You look like this when you pas de bourrée, and then you're still like that when you pirouette. You've got to work back there. You're going to go this way, your head's on the right. You need this, and your chasse is like your shoulders are behind your hips. You go into here like this in fifth. Okay? And you're going to releve like this. Your shoulders are behind you, and you all are doing this. You're doing this. You're back. It's always, the only thing that goes for is the toe and the hip. Toe, hip, toe, hip. Toe, hip, toe, hip, toe, hip, toe, hip. Huh? It's always toe, hip. It's not this. It's not this. Ever. Okay? All right. Left, right, whoosh, and twist, whoosh, go, and from the toe, more, what's happening to the arms? Shoulder back, back to the right, back to the left, more, twist it, turn it, turning out, more, toe, and toe hip, right knee, left arm, yeah, now get your hips, better, okay, but you know what's missing? What happened to this and that? Almost all of you. So you're not balancing. You're just doing this. You're not doing anything. And then you're just doing this. You've got to go back that way to go this way. You've got to go the opposite way. But get all your weight on that right foot. No, don't bend your left knee. Put your left leg straight. Put your left leg more. Yeah. Now get over your right toe. More. Yeah. Now you go this way. Go this way. You don't make an S. You don't like the S? Okay, this is the bottom of the S. You have to make the top of the S. Yeah, go ahead. Better. Okay, but you're going to spot, you know.
Yes.
So at the same time, right? You're here, right? You're here. Go that way. Yeah. Okay, but you can't have so much force that is greater than your weight going down into the floor. Remember that always, because what you're showing, in other words, with the arm, okay, with the arm, what you're showing is this. You see it? Up? No. You see, as soon as I start, it's turning. So that's why you have to use your arm to help you turn the plié. You got to feel that open, the turning the plié, turning the arm. So you all can see. Can you see this hand? Did you see it do that? You've got to see that it does that, because that's going to get you over your toe. Okay? Okay, ready? Go. One shoulder back. And twist it. Go, go, go. And now twisting. And where's that arm? Where's that arm? See that better? Now use that arm, go. Yeah, yep, go, whoosh. Twist it, turn it. Yeah, good, all right, more spot. Go, and twist it, turn it. You gotta see that front arm circle. You gotta go back to the left. And E, and now this, and the arm right, left. But you're behind, better, go. And that left arm goes right, left, that's it, yes. It's all in the preparation. That left arm's gotta go right, left. Put your heel down, Dominique, put your heel down. Now get over the toe, left arm, right, left, go. Yeah, go. And ears back, more hip. Now lock your hip. Every the right toe, right, left, better. That's better. Go. Now I want you to spot. Now open your eyes, focus, spot. Better. A little crooked, but you made a double. You know, but yeah, because you're doing this now, you see? Yeah, now you have to use your eyes. Okay.